Hello guys, welcome to another fun session of learning with prep class. I am BC, I am a prep class tutor. In this video, we are going to be solving Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination, Quantitative Material 3 from question 21 to question 25. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because this is where you can get all the videos that have been done, okay? And also, don't forget to like and comment on our videos as well. Alright, so let's go on to the first question in this video. Actually, we have a sample before the questions, okay? So we have to study these samples carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the question that follow. So in quantitative reasoning, you're given a sample to study. Once you're able to find how the samples were being done, then you can move ahead to answering the questions. So in quantitative reasoning, there is a method that is used called the trial and error method. In this method, multiple attempts are made till you get the solution. So looking at the samples, you can see that there are top numbers and then there are bottom numbers, right? These numbers are connected, but how? So we have to try. We have to try all the possible means of getting the solution. So we have 16 and 13, then the bottom number is 1714. Could it be 16 plus 13? 16 plus 13 would not give us 1714. 16 multiplied by 13 would not give us 1714. 16 minus 13 would not give us 1714. So you keep on trying till you get the solution to this problem. This is how you'll be able to solve your questions. Okay, so let's see how this is being done now. All right, so this is actually very easy. Quantitative helps you to think, so you have to think very well to be able to get the solution to the problem. All right, so 16 and 13, but you can see that the bottom number here is 1714. How could it have been gotten? So add 1 to each of the top numbers and then combine the answers to get the bottom number. The top numbers here are 16 and 13. 16 plus 1 is 17. 13 plus 1 is 14. So the answers are 17 and 14. When you combine 17 and 14 together, you get 1714. Can you see that's the answer? But before we move ahead to answer our questions, let's see if it works with the other samples. Remember, there are 3 samples here. So it means that that same logic must work with the 3 samples for you to say, oh, this is how it is being done. So let's see if it will work with the second sample. The top numbers are 18 and 15. So let's add 1 to each of the top numbers. 18 plus 1 is 19. 15 plus 1 is 16. Now, 19 and 16 combined together will give us 1916. Yes, that's the bottom number. So it works with the second sample. Now, let's check the third sample. In the third sample, 5 and 12 are the top numbers. So let's add 1 to each of the top numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6. 12 plus 1 is 13. So let's combine 6 and 13. We have 613. Yes. So this means that in the questions, all we have to do is to add 1 to each of the top numbers, combine the answers to get the bottom number. You can see that quantitative reasoning is actually very easy. Okay, so let's go to the first question in this video, question 21. So here we are given just one of the top numbers. The second top number is missing, and then the bottom number is also given. Okay, so how do we do this? Remember that we add 1 to each of the top numbers, then we combine the answers to get the bottom number. So the bottom number here is 817. When we add 1 to each of these top numbers and combine the answers, we should get 817. So 817 can be divided into 2. So we have 8 and 17. Okay, so what number plus 1 would give 8? Of course, 7 plus 1 would give 8. Then the second top number is 16. 16 plus 1 would give the 17 here. So we have 8, 17. So this means that when we combine 8 and 17 together, we'll get 817. So the missing number here is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 16 plus 1 is 17. Then when you combine 8 and 17 together, you get 817. So you can see that that's very easy. So that's the answer. So the missing number here is 7. So which of the options is correct? A is 10, B is 8, C is 7, D is 11. The correct option is C, 7. Check. Number 22. So in this question also, we are given only one of the top numbers. The second top number is missing. And then the bottom number is given. Okay, so we are going to do it the same way we did question 21. Add 1 to each of the top numbers and then combine the answers to get the bottom number. Okay, so 21, 18. So we can have 21 and 18. So what number plus 1 would give 21? Of course, the answer is 20. 20 plus 1 would give us 21. Then the second top number is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So you can see that when we combine 21 and 18, we'll get 2118. So you can see that we are correct. The missing number here is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 17 plus 1 is 18. So we got the answer correctly. The missing number is 20. So which of the options is correct? A is 24, B is 20, C is 21, D is 23. The correct option is B, 20. Check. Question 23. So the two top numbers are given, 12 and 13, and we are asked to find the bottom number. So this is very easy. So we just follow the lead given in the sample. So in the samples, all we had to do was to add 1 to each of the top numbers and then combine the answers to get the bottom number. So the top numbers here are 12 and 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. All we have to do to get the bottom number now is to combine the answers. Okay, so 13 and 14 combined together will give us 1314. So you can see that this is actually very easy. So the missing number is 1314. So which of the options is correct? A is 1314, B is 1318, C is 1315, D is 1317. Of course, the correct option is A, 1314. 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14. Combine it together, you get 1314. As simple as eating bread and butter. When you combine bread and butter, that's easy, right? Okay, so check. A is the correct answer. Check. Number 24. So we're given only one of the top numbers. The second top number is missing. And then the bottom number is given. So how do we do this? Remember from the samples, all we have to do is to add 1 to the two top numbers and then combine the answers to get the bottom number. Okay? So this means that this unknown number plus 1 should give us a part of this bottom number, which is 15. So unknown number plus 1 is 15. So what number do we add 1 to get 15? Of course, it is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, then the second top number is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So the answers combined together, there's this 15 and 21 combined together is 1521. So you can see that this is easy. We've been able to get the bottom number. So this means that the missing top number is 14. 14 plus 1 will give 15. 20 plus 1 will give 21. Then when you combine 15 and 21 together, you get 1521. So here the missing number is 14. Yay! We got it right. Okay, so which of the options is correct? A is 18, B is 14, C is 17, D is 15. The correct option is B, 14. Yes, we're correct. Check. So number 25. We are giving the two top numbers as 5 and 16. I'd like you to pause this video, do it yourself, and see if you're going to get the answer. Okay, I hope you've gotten your answer. So this is very easy. All you have to do is to follow the samples. Follow how the samples were done. So in the samples, all you have to do is to add 1 to each of the top numbers. Then you combine the answers to get the bottom number. So the top numbers are 5 and 16. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 16 plus 1 is 17. Then combine the answers, which are 6 and 17. When you combine 6 and 17, you get 617. So the missing number is 617. Check. Wow, that's so cool. Very interesting. Isn't that fun? Of course it is. So which of the options is correct? A is 620, B is 618, C is 617, D is 621. So the correct option is C, 617. Yes, that is correct. Well done. I hope you got the correct answer as well. If so, well done. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it because it's actually very interesting. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video as I'll be happy to respond to your comments in the comment section. Also, subscribe to our channel. This is where you can get more fun videos like this. And you can also join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time. Bye.